Hi, this is John with First Giving, and in this screencast, I'm going to show you how you can create a donate button for any charity in the United States and install it into a Facebook page. Before we begin, I want to point out that you can also create a donate button for a website, a traditional website, and there's another screencast for that. Now, you may know that in the world of Facebook, everybody has what's called a Facebook profile. Pages are a little bit different. The concept of a page is that there's fan pages in Facebook, there's pages for causes and for special interests and this sort of thing, and it's important to differentiate between the two because in the world of Facebook you're not allowed to install things onto your profile. You can install things onto your page. And to give you an example of what a page looks like, just before I started recording the screencast I created a page called People Who Love Puppies. So you get the idea. And then the point of the screencast is going to be for us to install a donate button right over here into the left navigation that will take in donations for a nonprofit called Big Dog Foundation. So let's just take a look and see what that process looks like. I'm going to type into the box Big Dog Foundation. Oh, there it is right there, Big Dog Foundation. So the system is going to help you get started here, and you'll see down in the lower right there's a button that says Install on Facebook Page. So I'll click that, and let's take a look and see what the next thing is that happens. The system asks us, okay, we know you want to install a Big Dog Foundation donate button. Which of your Facebook pages would you like to install it to? And I only have one, so I want to install it into this page, the People Who Love Puppies page. So now Facebook asks for our permission to do this. It's saying, may we add the donation or donate button creator to the People Who Love Puppies page. Try saying that twice fast. That's what we want, so I'm going to say yeah, go ahead and add it. So now the page loads again, and we see that there's a donate button. So let's click it and see what we get. Alright, progress made. So we're now seeing a thing at the top that says we support Big Dog Foundation. There's an appeal here, there's a like button. People can comment, a newsfeed post here, and most importantly, there's a donate button itself right below. Now, if someone clicks on donate, a window will appear and collect a donation securely, so I'll leave that up to you to go and explore later on. But First Giving will provide all the cryptographic security around the card donation, and we'll do disbursement and send a receipt to the donor and send the funds to the charity at the end of the month. So you get all that for free. And you can see here on the screen there's the ability, or there's an appeal, and you might want to change that. You might want to change the charity that the donations are going to, so you can configure both of those things by clicking right here where it says Edit Donate Settings. And I should point out that you, as the page administrator of People Who Love Puppies, see this button, but other people that aren't the page administrator don't see it. So this is your special page administrator button right here. So I'm going to click on Edit Donate Settings just to show you what's possible. Now in the page that loads, you see a few things. One, you can see that the selected charity is Big Dog Foundation, and there's an edit button next to that, so you can change which charity you're supporting. You can see that over here there's an edit button next to the appeal. So you might want to add in your own appeal and change the default one. I'll just say, I'll just add the phrase that says thank you with 2 exclamation points, just so you understand how everything kind of comes together here. So let me just immediately go and click on View Page on Facebook. Let's just see what happened. And you can see now it says thank you. So now you kind of start to connect the dots and see how these things relate. The other thing that I want to show you is you're able to customize the navigational link in the left column over here. Now we have it set to say donate by default because based on the way Facebook works, you only get to have one default setting. So we chose the word donate. But the point is that you might not want to have it say donate because usually when you use a word like donate, that implies that you want people to give money, and you can get a lot of value out of this page feature or this donation feature that we've created just by having people come here and add comments and use the like button. So you might want to change it to maybe say support Big Dog Foundation. And I want to show you how to change that word right there. So we're going to go back to the edit screen. And you'll see right here is the directions for changing the tab name. And if you read them, it says you basically need to come in here and click on Edit Settings. So here's the Donate Button Creator Settings option right here. And here's where we get to change it. Support Big Dog Foundation. Save, okay. And now let's say View Page. And look at that. Now our link says Support Big Dog Foundation, and that's exactly what we wanted. So that's it for now. I'll leave it up to you to go and explore some of the other features here. Thank you for listening.